Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is in collab with several other YouTubers, hosted by Lauri from Creative Lauri and Pam from Creative Housescaping. Now it's a tablescape and the ladies were very easy with the rules. The main rule is that the cost shouldn't be no more than $10, anywhere from $0 to $10. The whole idea is that they wanted us to shop our home and use items that we have in putting the tablescape together. So if you'd like to see what I have done with my $10 or less tablescape, then come with me. Welcome to my home and welcome to my kitchen. I chose to do the tablescape in a Valentine theme because I had planned to do this already, and instead of doing 2 tablescapes in a week, I thought, let me go ahead and just use the same tablescape for both events. So my tablescape today has to do with love, red, Valentine, and I'd like to show you how I was able to do this tablescape for less than $10. In putting this tablescape together, the main thing was I shopped my home, and so as you can see, most of the items here are items that I already have, and I just wanted to share the new items that I was able to purchase to complement the other items here on this table. So first of all, in setting the table, I'll just go through the basic. I have a tablecloth, a white tablecloth, because since it's Valentine, it's going to be very special. I wanted to be sure that it was not just a regular table setting, because I wanted it to have the effect of luxury, even though it's really in the kitchen, and it's actually my kitchen table, of course, and it's under $10, but it's still, the simplicity is there, but the elegance is also there. So let's take a look at the place setting here. Of course, it's a white tablecloth, and I have the charger, the dinner plate, the salad plate, and the napkins. Now I fold my napkins pretty much, I call this my signature fold because I do all my napkins like this. And what I do is I'll iron and starch and iron like 30 or so napkins for different occasions, and then I'll put them all together. And when it's time for me to set the table for whatever it is, then it's already ironed and folded the way that it needs to be put together. All I have to do is just put ends together and the napkins are done. So all my napkins are pretty much like this. Then of course I have the knives and forks, the dinner knife, the dinner fork, the salad fork to the left, extreme left. Then right on top of that I have the spoon, teaspoon for ice cream or whatever dessert, and then I have the fork, the dessert fork as well. To the extreme left here I have my bread knife and the bread plate. So the bread knife and plate to the left, the salad plate in the middle here, the napkin as well, and to the right I have the water goblet, and I'm thinking champagne because it's Valentine's Day. So there it is. Then right above that I have these little, I think they're teddy bears, but I found them when I was trying to clean up one area of the home just recently. So I'm not sure where I got those. So those are items I had before. And of course I'm making it really nice with the name tag there. Then I have the candles here in the middle. And I thought of getting some fresh flowers, but of course they were not as nice as I would have expected. So I ended up just using, from the dollar store, these hearts with the other candles that I had, and just put that together. So that's, I paid $2 for the hearts. There are 2 bundles right there on the 2 candles. What I have here as the below the place setting is just from the dollar store a gift bag, and I bought 2 gift bags, so that's $2. This 2 bunches of the hearts for $2, so that's $4 right there. Then I got from Walmart 4 of these $1 chocolate, so that's $8. And the ribbon here I got, there were 2 in a pack and I got 2 bags, so that's where I spent the other $2, so that is the actual $10. So as you can see, the table is all set. Very elegant, I think, but very basic at the same time. Items from my home that I've incorporated with the other items that I purchased at Dollar Store, the 99-cent store, and Walmart. So that's how I spent my $10. Place setting candles were already purchased, and the name tags were also items that I use when I prepare meals sometimes if there are guests and I'm not sure if they eat certain things, and I would label whatever it is. So I have a couple of these that I had purchased a long time ago, so I have those. So that's pretty much all I've done in setting this table. I hope you like this video. I hope you will take the time to subscribe if you have not already done so. Subscribe to my channel, that is. Also to subscribe to both Lauri and Pam's channel. See the playlist that they'll have. I'll have it available. I'll have it as well when it's available. I'll encourage you to watch their channels. All the participants, that is. And I really, really hope that you'll take the time to subscribe to my channel. And again, I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.